So the first thing we want to do is take the bolt out. Open the bolt up, pull it all the way to the rear. Now when I pull the trigger, that's how you release the bolt release. You'll notice that the bolt actually crawls forward a little bit, so if you want to push it forward, pull the trigger hard to the rear, withdraw the bolt, set the bolt to the side. The first thing we notice is on the bottom, in front of the trigger, is this long spring and this screw. That's your sear and your shear screw. Unscrew that screw, take it out. The trigger is retained by a large pin right here. Push it out, doesn't matter which way it goes, left or right. Now the sear and the trigger come out together. Turn them over, take that apart. Just slides apart like that. Now on the ready to reassemble. I'm going to start with the bolt. Take the bolt body, take the cocking piece. Now if you'll notice, there's a great big section here that's relieved, and this is a corresponding portion of our cocking piece. Slide those two together, turn this around, and I'm going to actually balance that on the bench a little bit there. I'm holding it with my middle finger, my left hand. Slide the spring, the firing pin spring, onto the firing pin. Slide that into the bolt, shove it down, and turn it to get it started in the cocking piece. Now go back to our bolt guide, screw our firing pin in. Now, do we just screw and screw until it gets all the way as far as it'll go and bottoms out? No. The Russians are clever. And they put an index mark right here on the back of the firing pin. They put an index mark here on the back of the cocking piece and on the back of the firing pin. So we screw our firing pin in till it's flush with the rear. Whoop. And the index mark lines up. Now we're ready to put the bolt in. Pull the trigger all the way to the back, holding it to the back. Slide the bolt in, release the trigger. Bolt goes forward, down, closes. Pull the trigger. We fire. We cock. We fire. We can cock by hand. Let's make sure that the safety works. Safety works. You're ready to go.